Feeling weighted down with negativity? In this video, discover 3 things to let go of to raise your vibration instantly. Heather K here, giving you actionable tools for a high vibe life and biz. If you want to confidently design your high vibe life and biz, be sure to subscribe to this channel. New videos every Wednesday at 8 a.m. CST. 3 things to let go of to raise your vibration instantly. First one is victimization. Perhaps you feel like you are in a specific place because somebody did something to you, or because the world is the way it is right now, or yada, yada, yada. The thing is, you want to change that perspective. You want to tell a different story. Figure out how to tell that story in a way that empowers you. You are an infinite creator in a body. And what does that mean? That means that you can create the life that you want to live. You can. It's completely possible. The first step is to empower yourself to not be a victim. Don't be a victim. Choose how to change a story around. See it as an opportunity, a possibility to step into your higher self. Not a way to stay in that low vibe state and to stay there and not move along. Staying in that low vibe state is going to keep you stuck, okay? So the first thing to let go of, victimization. Gone. Say ciao ciao to victimization. Now the second thing to let go of in order to raise your vibration instantly is to avoid talking about people in a negative way. Talking about people, about events, complaining. See it as these repeating over and over these negative events, negative people, or feeling victimized and sharing that with your friends, how much you are the victim and can't believe this person did this to me. That is ingraining in further and further and further. It's almost like a groove on the record is just getting deeper, deeper, and deeper. So in order to not have that happen is just to completely let it go. Let it go. Don't talk about it. Don't engage in that activity of talking about that event, those people. If you like to gossip, cut that out. Choose to replace that with talking about what you're thankful for. Oh, what a beautiful day it is today. Oh, even if you feel like there's nothing you can be thankful for, think, I have running water today. I'm so thankful I have running water. I can take a shower. You know, these things are really amazing steps to help you raise your vibration instantly. Because I'm going to tell you right now, even if you had everything that you wanted and you're still living in the state of thinking negatively, you're not going to be able to even enjoy what you have around you. You won't even be able to know what to do with yourself in that situation. I know you might think, oh, that's not true. If I had everything, I would be a completely happy person. That's not the case. I'm sure you'd find something to complain about then too. So let's stop that pattern. Stop the pattern of gossip, talking about negative events, negative aspects of something that happened, okay? So that's number 2. It's kind of a big one to let go of. So if you can just let go of gossip, let go of talking about something that somebody did to you, just let that all go. That all has a real low, dark vibe, right? And choose to talk about beautiful things. And you'll see your life transform around you. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3 kind of goes along with number 2 and a little bit with number 1, and that is judgment. Now this is a pretty big one. Release all judgments on yourself, to stop judging yourself, and to stop judging others. Maybe somebody does something that you don't approve of or that you wouldn't do, but that doesn't put you in the place that you can judge that person. Now you may think, oh, I don't judge. I really don't judge. But you probably do. This is one where we want to delete it completely out. So you could be judging yourself even. You could be judging yourself by thinking that you should be looking better, or that you should be losing some weight, or you're judging yourself about the activities that you are choosing to do in a day instead of doing something else. Okay, you're judging yourself. You're putting yourself at a really high bar perhaps, and you expect others to be in that same place with you. The how to replace judgment is acceptance. Accept yourself, accept others, And acceptance can release that judgment. Accept the situation for what it is. Not to judge the situation or to think it should have been something different. The underlying aspect of accepting yourself, of accepting others around you, and releasing that judgment can really transform your life. So those are your 3 tips to raise your vibration instantly. To recap, letting go of victimization, talking negatively, and judging yourself and others can help you raise your vibration instantly. Choose to fill in with standing in your power, changing your perspective, and fill in with talking positively, and fill in with acceptance. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to share with you my free Raise Your Vibration guide to help you and to help all of us on this planet to raise your vibration. Be sure to leave a comment below on what you are choosing to let go of to raise your vibration. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!